You're scaling super fast, new contracts, new retailers, bigger production runs. But here's the one question no one's asking. Has your insurance kept up with all of your business growth? In this video, I'm going to break down a real story about a manufacturer who took a $4.5 million hit, all because they didn't have one critical policy in place: product recall insurance. Let's talk about what happened and what most manufacturers get wrong, and let's make sure it never happens to you. A company behind a very popular ice cream sandwich started small. In their early days, they were offered product recall coverage and they declined it. Their revenue was just under $1 million. For where they were at, might have been a wise decision. The level of risk at that revenue size didn't really feel urgent or real. But here's the problem. As the company grew, quickly hitting $24 million in revenue, their coverage never evolved. No one went back to reassess their policies. Product recall was never a thought in their minds until it was too late. In 2024, contamination at one of their manufacturing plants triggered a massive recall. The result? Over $4.5 million lost. It's unfortunate because it's preventable. So here's where a lot of manufacturers get caught up and make the big mistake. They think product liability insurance is the equivalent of product recall, and in this video we're going to go over the differences in between the two and why your business may need both. Product liability covers bodily injury or property damage caused by your product, but the product recall policy, that pays for the cost to pull products off the shelves, disposal and destruction of the products if necessary, lost income from halted sales, crisis management and PR, penalties from any of your retailers or distributors. Basically, product recall covers all the behind the scenes, really expensive stuff when a product goes wrong. And without this coverage, you are responsible to pay out of pocket for all of these expenses. Here's the problem that a lot of business owners don't understand. Your growth equals new risks for your business. What isn't necessary at $500,000 in revenue may very well be necessary at $2 million in revenue. But unless you're working with an independent insurance agent that understands the nuances of your growth, it's going to be difficult for you to manage all of these things plus running your business. So who needs this coverage? If you manufacture, import, or distribute any product that's ingested, whether it's food, beverage, supplements, you need product recall. Any product that is applied to the skin, to the body, cosmetics, or personal care, you need product recall. Any product that you sell under your label, you put a sticker on this product, you need product recall. Ask yourself, if you got hit with a product recall tomorrow, would you be covered? If not, how are you addressing that financially? Are you prepared? You've worked way too hard to get here. Don't let one blind spot take your business out. If you're scaling your product-based business and you need someone that understands the nuances of what you do and how to protect it, at The Bunker, we're ready to help move you from danger to a safe place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. And also, if you want to get in touch with us, click the link below.